Hello everyone, welcome you all Crown Jewel Circle official YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you how we can bind API binding royalq and Coinbase Pro. So we very specific on it. I'm assuming it you have your activated and verified account in Coinbase Pro, and let's see the step in my device, mobile phone. Just a minute. As you can as you can see my mobile device now, and there you can see this is my royalq. And in royalq, where I have to go for API binding, I just have to click on this API binding. As you can see here, I have clicked on API binding. There you will find Coinbase Pro unbound. That means it is not connected with our royalq application. Where I have to click now, I have to click on Coinbase Pro. I'm just going to clear it. Again, mentioning it, I have to click here. When I'm going to click here, it gives me some options, some details which I have to copy from here to Coinbase Pro, and same time what I have to do, I have to get some information from Coinbase Pro. So let me open my Coinbase Pro application. This is my Coinbase Pro application. I'm going to open it. In my Coinbase, I have to go in my profile. I just highlighted here. I have clicked on my profile. There you can find API settings. I have to click on API settings. Because this feature is enabled web-based. So it navigated me from application to web. Right. Now directly, because I have already logged in, so it directly send me on my API settings page. There you can find here API tab. I just click here and I'm just highlighting it. You can see here API. Right. Now I'm going to click on new. I have to create a new API. So I'm going to click on it, right? Here I have to give a name of my API, right? So I'm going to give a name of royalq test, right? And there I have to select features which I want to have in my API. So I have to select, first is here you can see is view, and second is trade. We don't have to tick our trade feature. So we are just going to select only view and trade. I have just click on the view and trade. And in trade, you can see passphrase. This field I have to take from here. This particular field I have to copy from here, and I have to take from here to royalq. So I'll copy it. I have copied it, and directly I am switching from Coinbase Pro to royalq. So let me go to directly in my royalq. Here I have to, and I have to paste this passphrase here in this field. As you can see, I have highlighted here. I'm going to paste this field here, right? Now I have to copy IP addresses from royalq and I have to paste in my Coinbase Pro. So those IP addresses are available here. As you can see, I'm just going to highlight this particular field. You can see here, right? Yes, we have to copy it. I'm going to copy it. As you see, copy successfully. Now I am going to Coinbase Pro there. Now I have to paste those IPs here, IP whitelist. I'm going to paste here those IP addresses, and I'm going to click on create API key. As you can see, this blue button is showing here, create API key, and I already paste those IPs here, right? I'm going to click on create API. Now it is asking me a two-factor authentication. That means a Google authenticator already enabled in my phone. I'm going to paste that password or OTP here, or what you can say, that Google authenticator code. So let me open Google authenticator. And because of security reason, it won't allow you to see it. I have copied and I'm just pasting it here and add an API key. You can see here my API key is created. So now I can highlight here. You can see the success message here. And this is something shown me, store API secret key. So as we usually do in Binance and Huobi, this is something different. First, we have to paste the passphrase in my royalq account. Now I'm going to copy this all the secret key here. Let me just copy it first. I'm going to copy this, and I'm not going to go back right now. I'm going to my royalq first. I'm going to royalq. I have to paste this API secret key in my royalq in a secret key. As you can see, I'm going to paste here in my secret key field, right? And now I have to go to find my API key. So before going ahead, I'm just going to highlight here. I have pasted my key here in secret key, not in API key. There is a name in Coinbase Pro, it's a API secret key, but in royalq it is a secret key. Let me first just do the safer side. I have read this, and I'm going go back to my this screen, and I'm going to click on done. As you can see, I have clicked on the done, and there is test. You can see default portfolio, and there is my API key already created. So I'm going to copy it, and before copying, I'm just going to highlight this area. This is my actual API key, which I need to paste in my royalq. I'm going to copy it. Okay. And I'm going to paste here in my API key. Now what I have to do, I have to click on this send button. So where royalq is going to send me a validation code. Yes, royalq already sent a validation code. I have to go my Gmail and I have to paste that code, or I have to get this code here in my royalq. Yes, as you can see, this code is came here. I have to copy it and I have to paste in my this field. Paste, and I'm going to click on bind. As you rightly see here, this is successfully bind. And those are unbound. It's shown you up there in a gray color. And like Binance is going to be an orange, Huobi is going to be in a different green color, and Coinbase Pro is shown in it's in blue. So this is something shown as a success of binding, and this is completely bind from royalq to Binance. So that's all I want to share here, and now we can close our application. We can start our trading. So thank you so much. Happy trading.